breathtaking performances.
Being a part of the Filmfare family and being our sponsors for the successful Filmfare Awards. So thank you, IDEA, for its continued support. I have had my wonderful cover girl and cover boys who are busy checking my SMSs and God knows what. I'd like to thank them for taking time off from their busy schedules. Farhan is busy promoting Shadi Ki Side Effects. Deepika has a flight to catch in about 2 hours.
So thank you, Filmfare. Thank you, IDEA. Um, I think awards are always, I think, welcome, and actors always, deep down inside, somewhere you feel a sense of appreciation and you feel like your hard work has paid off when you win an award. But I think the Filmfare really takes it to another level. Um, I've been winning at Screen and say all the other award functions, but I think the reaction that I got to Filmfare specifically, I think that just goes to show how special it is. I think people message me from all over the world. So thank you for that. And Filmfare has always been very, very iconic, not just the award itself, but even the magazine. You keep featuring us in them, sometimes good, sometimes bad, but we live with that. But thank you for giving us this opportunity and making 2013 for me even more special than it already was.
Good evening, everyone. Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Jitesh. Thank you, Filmfare. I think it was a great idea that that Deepika and myself, our work was recognized this year. Very, very thankful. And I do agree with her. I think there is something truly special about winning the Filmfare Award. My theory about it is that there is so much history associated with this award. There are so many great actors before us who have held this award in their hands. And really to be a part of that chain of talent, it feels very, very good. So thank you very much, and also thank you for those very kind words that you said about the work here this evening. I really don't know what else I can add. I think everyone has pretty much said what needed to be. But I do feel very thankful. It was some kind of a strange dream that I had when I was a child, and I used to pick up those awards lying on my father's desk, and I used to pose with them. At that point, I had no idea what it was for that I was posing. It just felt like a nice, cool thing to do. So it was nice to get an opportunity in various departments, actually, in filmmaking, to have received it over the years. As far as awards go, truly about keeping them on a shelf or keeping them close to where you want to stay inspired and stay motivated, this is truly the one that matters. So thank you very, very much.
I have to add an interesting bit of trivia. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think Farhan and Zoya are the only siblings who won in the same year. Zindagi Na Milegi Durbara won 8 awards, including Best Film, Best Director, and you won Best Supporting Actor that year. I don't know if you remember that there is a connection, because I don't think there are too many siblings in the industry who won in the same year. So.
No, I didn't go to his house. I called him up. I think the awards got over at about 2:30 or 3 in the morning.
Yeah.
And yes. No. No. Your award didn't start before 10.
We started
10
at 10:30 and we got over at 12:45, 1 o'clock.
Anyway, so when I was driving back home, I think the first thing that came to my mind, and because I had won the Filmfare for Ramleela, I missed him. I wish he was with me, because that award wouldn't have been possible if I hadn't worked with him. And I really wish that one of my directors was with me, because I'd been nominated for 2 out of 4 films of mine that released. So I was missing him at that point. So very instinctively, I just called him, and he didn't answer. But I sent him a message, and he was very, very happy about that. He called me back the next day.
एंड सही में ऐसे ही अब घर जाने वाले हो?
क्यों?
नो आप इतने तैयार हो कि इतने अच्छे लग रहे हो.
Jitesh is taking me out for dinner.
Oh. तो फिर उनका क्या होगा? I mean,
किसका क्या हुआ?
फरहान का आपका क्या होगा?
मुझे तो औदुना से मिलना है डिनर के लिए, वरना शादी के साइड इफेक्ट्स कुछ नेगेटिव होने वाले हैं.
It's a very, very entertaining film. I think all three of them have done a fantastic job, and especially Ranveer and Arjun's chemistry is something that one should look out for.